Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we will discuss about the Git with a practical example. In the previous video, we saw Git with a theoretical and what is meant by Git and how it will be work. So in this video, we will see complete with a practical example. Let's dive into the next sessions of the video. In this video, what we are going to discuss in this video, like now we will see the what is the contents of the video we are going to be discuss. In this video we will discuss about the how to initialize the git, so such that now we will see like how git will be tracks the our files, and the next step how git tracks the files changes. Like now we will see in a VS code, like I will show through the example in a VS code. And what is git status and what is staging, we will see all this in a clear way, and I will explain what is git status and what is staging, and how to add individual files into staging area, how to add all files together into staging area, and how to unstage the files, and how to discuss the changes in the files, and how to commit the changes, like what we have done, then how to commit those changes or those code into git. Means nothing but what is commit means whatever we commit that will be saved to the git, such that git can have the our code of this saved version. Now we will see in a VS code how it will works exactly. In this we have any simple code, like now we will initialize the git. So git is in a software. When the git software is in our computer, then that will be automatically tracks the changes. When we change the code in our code base, that automatically tracks the changes. So before this, in your computer you must should be have the git in your computer. So before trying this, so you should have the git in your laptop or computer. Now we will initialize this git, so just give me a second. Yes, now we will initialize this git in this folder. Nothing but what we are saying, for this particular folder what I have this git code. Assume this is like a project, like when you have the other folder or other project, you want to make your project or your folder to be git tracked. So what you must do initially, if you want you git has to be tracked, then initialize it. So for that, we have a command git init. So when you type this, git will started the tracks our file. So now we will enter this command. What will happen? Let's boom. See here, initialize the empty git repository. So how will get to know like your folder has. Guys, sorry for the pause. My mic was went to a little bit out of my zone, so that's why I take some little bit of pause. So here it is saying like git was initialized. So how we will get to know? So when the git was initialized in our folder, this will be, we have the dot git folder. So that is nothing but git is tracking the our code base. Now we will see where I can see the dot git. So now I will go to my file manage. I will show in this git code. In this git code, we will have the git folder. So for sometimes for some people it hidden folder. So when you click on that hidden, so that dot git will be appears to all. Now I will show this dot git in this folder. So now you can see here, this is what I have. This is my git code folder. So I have the index file, like which is HTML file, and when I type this command git init, so git has initialized. I have dot git in. So it will have if you want to explore this folder, just go through it. It will has the all the commits and the branches. Just explore that. So as of now, this is not that much essential. Now we will see another steps. So how I can check that like what files are tracked. For when you have some confusion, just type this command git status. This will gives like which files are modified and tracked, which has to be commit. So all the details will be given here. And one more essential thing, like what I'm discussing here is all through the comments. In the next upcoming videos, I will explain this all this what I taught here, that through an UI. So you can see this UI. So how you can do all the things what you have done through the commands, all the things will be done by here UI. I will teach you these things in the next week. So here it is saying no commit set, so we are on the branch of master. So we are now currently we are in the master branch. So up to now no commit set. So untracked files were index.html. So it is saying that this file was not went to the staging area. So before commit we have in a staging area. The term staging, the temporary place where the code will be goes before committing to the code base. Like before saving, we are sending into a staging area. After that, we will send all those code into commit. So now we will send this index.html into staging area. Like how we can stage a file or how we can stage the multiple file. So if you want the stage single file, just type here git add and that file name. If you want stage the all the file, simply git add space dot. So all the file went goes through staging area. So here we have the one file. We can type here dot, or else we can type index.html. So now we will see git status what is saying. So no comments are still we are not done the commit. So changes to commit. So this is saying this file was staged, and after this stage you are ready to commit this file. So and again it is saying if you want unstage this file, you can easily git rme and cast the file name. So this will leads to the unstage area. Now our file in a staging area, this is ready to commit. Means we are saying my file or my code base is ready to save to into Git. So next we will save this what this index file. Now we will see git commit -m. If you want any message, you can give the message. So if you give meaningful messages, so it will be clear. Like if you done some part of code, like you added some future, you added the nowbar, and you want to save that nowbar future into the git. So after completing your nowbar future and git commit whatever we have done previously, do those steps, and next git commit -m and space and type the message here, like added the nowbar. Now we are added index.html. So here it is showing. So one file change. So this whatever we have done this was this was committed saved into the git. And what is this means? One file change. Like this is whatever we have one file, and 13 insertion means like number of lines we have inserted. That is what simply the git is saying. So now we will now we went through all the flow, like we initialized the git, and we saw like whenever we like we don't know where we are exactly, like whatever the file status, then we can easily type the git status. It will give the status of the files, and now we stage the files and we commit the commit into Git. Means Git changes the our code. Now we will type the Git status, what it will gives. So on the master branch, nothing to commit. Working tree is clean. Means there is nothing to commit. So everything was saved into the Git. Now we will add something to this file, and what we will do, we will add something, and how we can discard, and how we will stage the file, and we can how we can unstage. We will see those terms. Example, we will add some text, something to this file, and by this git status we can easily see like what the modification was happened this file. We will add something. This is demo video. So now we will add something this to the file. So Git automatically tracks these changes. Now Git will detect the something was added. So Git will detect this. Now we will see, and by through Git status, see modified index.html. So something was modified. So what is saying, if you want to these change and it is saying that these changes are not staged for commit. So if you want the stage, add this git add file name. And if you want to discard the changes in the working tree, it is saying git restore file name. We will see that git when we do this, when we are discarding whatever we add here, this is a demo video in h3 tag, this will be disappear. Now we will see that. See, this was gone. So we are discarded. So when we are discarding something, so once go through, it will completely disappears. Like it will remove the what you have done. So whatever we have written ht tag, that was gone. So if you want remove all the modification, if you done, there are multiple files, and if you want to remove all those files, and just type git restore dot, then all whatever you have done the modification in many files, those all files, in all files the modifications will be disappear. Whatever we discussed the topics in before, all the contents were covered, and this was up to this video. If you like this content and if you felt this video was informative, and please do the subscribe and click on the bell icon, so when I upload the new video you will get the notification from YouTube. If you like the content, just smash that like button. If you have any doubt, just comment down below this video and share to your friends like you who are want this kind of content. And I will give the all these notes in the description. Once go through the description, at the same time with the notes I will give some assignment question, and once go through assignment question also and see those questions. Thank you for your time, and thank you for watching.